Hi, welcome aboard the Tokai Super Express train bound for Tokyo. We'll be making brief stops at Hamamatsu, Shizuoka. Yeah, I laugh every time I hear that announcement on the Shinkansen. But yeah, this is at a local festival that we had just recently in Fukuroi City, and I don't know where it's from, but they had this miniature ride-on Shinkansen bullet train, yeah, obviously it didn't go as fast as the real thing, but still, as you saw, it builds up enough speed for the kids to enjoy. That's pretty real, it must have taken a bit of money to make, but anyway, thanks for watching, later.